is also Eze Aro is also out, as tall as the husband, if you ask me. I don't know whether the woman is also taller than the husband. But let's see, we're not measuring them, but we are looking at it from this vantage position. Ladies are actually leaking her out, so we take her position. Neoma Ebaji, we want to appreciate you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. And she takes her seat as well. Ladies and gentlemen, the ball is kicked off. Eze Aro Eze Eberechukwu. And so it's about time we roll the ball on the ground. The cameraman should please mind your position. When we are transmitting, the cameraman should be as much as possible know where to position yourself so that we can see this meeting to those who are not privileged to be here.
Please, cameraman, we have you on the other side.
Please. And then you get ready the national anthem of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And that of Aro will follow very shortly. Get ready with the national anthem of the country. And shortly after that, we'll take Aro anthem as well. And then we will begin the show properly.
Please, can we just do it fast?
Lucy Pata.
Can you uprising and sing the national anthem, please, before we take our anthem? Can we be upstanding? Can we please? Just a very simple directive, please. We know you are big people, of course we are commanding from this. You cannot but obey us. Thank you so much. National anthem. 1, 2, go if you know it.